Nissan Serena installed for Cogoo 6.95-inch Android GPS Toyota Universal DVD player CG-AD500. Okay, you got a DVD slot, okay, SD card slot, and USB. So got two USB extension in a drawer. So turn on headlight, so it's got a lighting. Okay, full menu. Aux video input, connect video output with roof monitor. Let me show you. For roof monitor, video output, fully controlled from the main head unit Cogoo player. Okay, setting. Okay. Turn on player Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot. Android version 8.0. 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage. Bluetooth, pairing Bluetooth with your phone. Click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Styling control setting. Okay, connect with reverse camera and auto two-way camera converter, auto switch to front camera. Okay, back to normal screen. So this is Cogoo CG-AD500 6.95-inch Android GPS HD DVD Toyota Universal player. Okay, good fitting size for Nissan Serena, OEM power socket and OEM radio socket for Nissan. Plug and play. Installed by with one piece. Thank you.